To send Bitcoin from one account to another, start by accessing the financial section, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the script or tab option, and then choose Bitcoin from the available options. Click on the Action button, represented by a double arrow, located beside the Sell button. A pop-up window will appear, and from there, click on the Send option. You will then need to enter the recipient's wallet address, which can be found by opening the recipient's account and selecting the More option on the home screen. Use the search bar to find the deposit option, and then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the desired network for receiving the Bitcoin, such as the default BTC network, and click on the Copy Address button to obtain the wallet address. Return to the initial account, paste the wallet address into the open field, and select the address. Enter the amount of Bitcoin to be transferred, and then verify the transaction by entering a verification code sent to the registered mobile number. A confirmation window will appear, requiring confirmation of the recipient's address and the transfer amount. Ensure that the same network is used in both accounts. Confirm the details, and click Send Now to initiate the transfer, which should be completed within 24 hours.